Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and our today's topic of discussion is how can we make a simple gate pass. So how can you make? You have to first zoom in so that you can get the better understanding of how and what we are doing. Now you have to just select the cells, and in that you have to just write your merge, and you can write here your company's name. Like first I just write here ABC company, and ink. Now in the second you have to just write the ID number of the employees and the name and from which department they belong, and the important factor is our time in, and the second our important factor is time out. Now in that box you have to just write time spent. Basically our time spent is divided into two portions. First one is hours and the second one is minutes, so we have to just write here the two boxes. So you have to just select and you have to just merge till here, and in time spent what you have to do, you have to just write here merge and center, and in that you have to just write here and you have to merge here. And what you have to do, you have to just select the cell, and here you can see the format printer. You have to just go here in the format printer and you have to select the cells till timeout, and here you can see you have to just select the cells and make it in the central alignment, and in that one you have to just make it bold and so that it will be attractive to everyone. Now in that portion you have to just write here the hours, and in that you have to just write the minutes. And now you can see here first person, so if a person came, you have to just first write the ID. So I just write here 1001, and second person I write 2498, and third one is 431. And here you can see now I just write the name of the employees. Like first came James, and it belongs to the department finance, and suppose then our person which is Christopher came and it belonged to the department accounts. And now suppose Mark came and it belongs to the department HR. Now here you can see the time in option, so I just write here 1, and here I just write AM, and in timeout I just write here AM, and then I just write here for Christopher and AM. Now Christopher take too much time, so I just write here AM. And last one here you can write here like 4:05 p.m. and again you have to just write here 6 and 0 p.m. So this is the time. Now you can see here how we just make it in hours, and how can we convert this into minutes. So before converting it you have to just make it more attractive. How can you do it? You have to just go here and you can see the thick box border. You have to just select it, and you have to again select this all border boxes, and in thick border boxes you have to just again make the thick border box, and you have to just make it, and you have to first color it so that it will be more attractive. And I just again select these cells and make it attractive in a sense so that it will be more attractive to everyone. And now here in colors you can write, or you can use any light color here. So I just use the light color here, and again you can write here in central alignment. So Now for hours, what we have to do, we have to just use the R formula, like equals to HURR, and you have to just first select the timeout, because timeout is the bigger value. Now you have to subtract it, and then you have to just write here time in, because time is the least value. So you have to write here, you can see it gives you a 0, and you have to just drag it down the same function, so it will tell you the values. Basically it will tell you the number of hours, and then you have to convert it into minutes. Like we have to find out how many hours and how many minutes it is spent. So you have to just write your minutes function for getting the minutes. So you have to just write your time in, and then you have to just right here the timeout function. So you have to just click here, and you can see here means that person has spent total 51 minutes. So you have to just drag it down. So you can see here Christopher has spent total 1 hour and 53 minutes, and here you can see Mark has spent almost 2 hours. This is what it has done, and this is what we will get here. First, suppose if Mark spent 5 minutes more, so how can you just get it? You can see here it increased by 5. This is what has done. Mark has spent more time, and this is hours, and this is our minutes conversion. This gate pass is very important for every person to get the understanding of it, how gate pass function works. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share and subscribe our channel for getting the much more videos out of these type of examples. Thank you.